Hello, my name is Arne Spon1 and welcome to my unboxing of Coca Cola 0.5 liters 4-pack. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get any money from Coca Cola, and I like their brand. I like the Coca Cola soda, and if you're watching this Coca Cola, I don't make any money. Please let me use your brand, and yeah, I'll give you for free commercial, so it's a win-win. Today I was gonna unbox this. I've had this standing for a couple of days, turn into weeks, weeks turn into month, month turn into a half year, so still hopefully it tastes still good. So let's get right into this unboxing. Nothing more in this. If you can't tell, I'm not in the usual game room. That's right, I'm in the living room. Just because, why not? So here we got one, here we got another one, the third one, and the fourth one. I love Coca Cola. So as you can see, there are 4 of them, and they're 500 milliliters. I don't know if you have the milliliters in the UK or US or I don't know, Denmark, but I know in Norway we use liters and milliliters and kilos and yeah, that kind of systematic things, and not pounds, but we use kilos. And yeah, how high we are meter high, not that fancy foot thingy. I got 2 of them, and that's the only 2 foots I need. So let's open up this one and see how it tastes. It's warm, so I'll taste it better. Yeah, it needs to be in the refrigerator to actually taste good. So that's how this one tastes. Let's see how this one tastes. You can hear when they open, it's just the fizzing. Makes it sound so much more delicious. Don't push it. Lovely, ikke dytt den. Lovely, ikke dytt den. Just my cat. She's curious on what that tripod is. Lovely! Nei, men gå nå vekk fra den lille. Gå unna! Den er ikke noe lekesak. So, let's taste this one. Yeah, so that's how this one tastes. It's quite good. Quite good. It got a really really strong taste to it. I might be because it's not been in the refrigerator at the time, so yeah. Third. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, it's delicious. It's just been standing a little while, so it just lost a bit of the sugary flavor. But that's all. That's all. It's delicious. Let's test this one out. These two are great. It's. It's good. It just needs a little fresh sugar. That's all. That's everything. So let's try this one out. It's great. It's the last one actually tasted a little small difference from the other. To be totally honest, they're a little over the date. So it might be a little because they're a little bit older than recommended standing, but that's only a bit. You just need to add a little sugar to it and put them in the refrigerator, and they're fresh, good, wonderful, as the Coca Cola should be. It's just me being a little lazy, getting a little, you know, to get this video out. So, this was the unboxing of the Coca Cola. I finally got to do it today because it needed to be done. I've said it so long in the YouTube description that, or said in my other videos. If you wanna go watch them, good job, get happy to do it. Then do it. But that I was supposed to open this. And I got to do it today, so hey Ray! I'm not gonna finish them right now, but you know, it's Coca Cola. Of course, you need to drink a little of it to actually, you know, show that you're a true fan of Coca Cola. It's good. It's coming to you right now. So this one is delicious. It's just a matter of time before you get that perfect fit of sugary Coca-Cola flavor that everyone loves. Sorry, I still have a little bit of a cold, you know. So that's why I'm a little, you know, on the coughing side of things. So I'm gonna drink everyone again, just to show you that everyone are the same and they taste exactly the same. So we're down to the last one. Let's just say how these taste. You just need to give them a little time to get, you know, the flavor out. So there we go. Coca Cola. again, it's not sponsoring this video because I don't have any sponsor, because no one want to sponsor me. But I give them free, yeah, commercial. And Coca Cola is wonderful. I got a little special one for you, just for you guys. If you just want to give me about 1 to 2 minutes. Bam! I got another one for you. This one, by the way, has stayed in the refrigerator a little while. So, yeah. Let's give this a try. Oh, listen to that sound. So this is exactly the same as this, but the only difference between this and these is that this have been in the refrigerator. That's right. Yes. This one is a little better because it's cold. You need something cold when it's a hot day. Like this winter has been a very hot and hard worked out day. Frøtta! Ikke bit på den. Very hot day. So enjoy some Coca Cola. So there we go, actually. The Coca Cola unboxing. I finally got to do it today. And I'm kind of happy I did. So, if you like this video, subscribe if you did. Wait, that's the wrong... Okay. If you like this video, like it. There's a like button down there. Push it. But only once. If you push it 2 times, you delete it. So if you push it 2 times, push it 3 times. If you push it accidentally 4 times, push it 5 times. Then you're safe. That might even ruin everything. You know what? Scratch it. Push it 1 time. If you disliked it, just say some mean shit in the comment. Now probably, yeah, I don't know. I probably get upset and sad about it, and probably cry while I cut myself before sleep. So don't do that. Just leave a nice comment. Just leave a like. Subscribe if you want more video of something like this. I might soon be a little busy, so there might not be any uploads in a while. But I'll try to upload as many as I can. If you want unboxing video, I'll try. If you want gaming videos, I can try. If you want something different, leave it in the comment section below, and I might get to do it someday. If you want any other kind of unboxing or taste videos, I do it. I don't have any PO box, so you cannot send me it. You just need to tell me what you want to see me taste. But nothing weird shit. One of them is enough a month for me. And I already tasted something earlier, the few days earlier. I'm just saying. So yeah. Subscribe, like, and yeah. Tell me what you want to see next. until the next video, have a nice day, everyone.